Homes. Here to show you my newest listing. This one located in Mountain View in Green Valley, Henderson. A 55 plus community. Top tier, A graded. You have a covered carport and side-by-side parking. And I'm going to take you inside this 3-bedroom, 2-bath to give you a tour. Your living room, right here, that separates the bedrooms, the guest bedrooms from the primary, making it a split floor plan. You have a large open kitchen with all matching stainless steel appliances, all of which stay with the home. Off the kitchen is your laundry. And your primary bedroom on this side of the home with an en-suite bath, completely remodeled with a dual vanity, his and her sinks, a walk-in closet, and a completely remodeled walk-in dual shower with assist bars, brand new toilet, dual flush, for added energy and efficiency. Then on the other side of the home, we have the 2 guest bedrooms, all of which have fans. And the guest bath, which also has a remodeled vanity, dual flush toilet, and shower tub combo with assist bars, and a storage closet in the hallway. 1,120 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, new listing in Mountain View, Green Valley at 135 Layarda, with beautiful mountain views right outside your front door. If you like what you see, click and subscribe.